Hello everyone. Let us understand today's topic, lasers. Each and every alphabet which are there in the lasers have some meaning. L stands for light, A stands for amplification, S is stimulated, and E for emission. R represents radiation. So we say laser is an acronym for light amplification by stimulated emission of radiation. Now let us understand the characteristics or properties of lasers, or we say properties of lasers. There are total 5 to 6 characteristics, main characteristics or properties of lasers. Very first one, laser light highly monochromatic. Highly monochromatic. When we say monochromatic, it means single color or single wavelength. Single color, or we say single wavelength. So meaning of this, there is no mixing of any other color. If it is a red color, so it remains as a red color. There is no mixing of any other color. That's why it is highly monochromatic. Second, highly coherent. Highly coherent. Meaning of coherent is phase difference remains zero or constant. So there is a constant or zero phase difference or constant. Okay. Third one, highly directional. So meaning of this highly directional means it travels in a straight line. So travels in a straight line. Straight line. Okay. The fourth property, highly intense. The meaning of this, it means it has very high intensity. That is called as high intensity. That means high brightness. We say high intensity or brightness. Okay, brightness. And the fifth one, highly energetic. We say highly energetic. Since all the beams are concentrated in one direction, so it is a focused beam, highly directional beam. That's why they are very energetic. It can be transmitted to a longer distance in a straight line due to high energy and high intensity, highly directional. So these are the few properties or characteristics of laser beam. Now let us discuss the difference between the laser light and ordinary light. So how we can say that the laser light differs from ordinary light. So let us say this is the laser, and here we talk about ordinary light. Ordinary light. So laser and ordinary light, what are the difference points? First point from the figure I want to explain you. The laser light, let us say this is the source of laser beam, There is a lens, there is a source, it emits light in one direction only. So it is a highly directional beam it produces. Whereas if we take ordinary light, so simple bulb we take, and here this is the simple bulb, it emits light in all direction. So you can see that this is the difference. So ordinary light, it emits light in all direction, whereas laser beam emits light in one direction only. Then second point we'll take from the characteristics only, highly monochromatic. Highly monochromatic. It means single wavelength, single color, whereas ordinary light, it is polychromatic. It is polychromatic. Polychromatic, poly means many and chromatic means color. So it has many color, it means many color or many wavelength. Then third one, highly directional laser beam. Highly directional, but ordinary light is not directional, so it is not directional. It travels in all direction. Then the fourth one, we say highly coherent laser beam, whereas ordinary light, it is not coherent. When we talk about in terms of energy, so highly energetic it is, whereas ordinary light, a poor energy is associated. So we say a poor energy is associated with ordinary light. In case of a laser beam, we say it is stimulated emission. It is stimulated emission of radiation, whereas ordinary light, it is spontaneous emission of light. Okay, so we say that there is a ordinary light like your tube light, bulb, all these are ordinary light which you are using at home, offices, and laser beam which we are using as a laser pointer at the time of presentation through the LCD projector, PowerPoint presentation, we use same laser beam, laser pointer. So that is the example of laser beam. Okay, thanks.